Have you ever taken a great photo only to realize its quality is too low to use? Maybe it's blurry, pixelated, or just not sharp enough for a thumbnail, wallpaper, or project. Well, today, we're going to fix that. Because I'm about to show you how to turn your low-quality images into high-resolution masterpieces in just a few clicks. So without further ado, let's dive in. Open your browser and search for Nero AI Image Upscaler. Click on the very first search result. The link is also available in the video description below. Nero AI is a smart media toolkit that instantly improves both photos and videos. To start, go to the Desktop Apps section and click on Image Upscaler. This will open the Image Upscaler page. Nero AI Image Upscaler 2026 can turn low-resolution pictures into sharp, detailed, and high-quality images up to 2x or 4x their original resolution. Click the Get It button to download it. The software is only around 8 MB, so it runs smoothly even on low-end PCs. The installation process is also shown in this video, so you can easily follow along. Once installed, open the software. You'll see a clean and professional dashboard. The first thing you'll need to do is create an account. Just enter your email, and you'll receive a code from Nero AI. Paste that code into the app, and your account will be created instantly. Before we start processing, let's explore the options. The first setting is the UI theme, where you can switch between dark and light modes based on your preference. Next are the save options. Here you can set a default file name for enhanced images, or if you prefer to keep the original file name, just leave it toggled on. Below that, you can choose the export folder where your upscaled images will be saved. In the processing options, you can select the default model from 4 available ones: Standard, Anime, Photograph, and Iris. You can set any of these as your default model. I'll keep it on Standard for now. Then, you can set the output scale, which is already set to 4x. I'll keep it that way. Beneath that, you can choose the processing engine, either local or online. If you use the online engine, your credits will be consumed, but the quality will be higher. The local engine doesn't use credits, though the quality is slightly lower. Let's start by trying the local engine, and we'll test the online mode afterward. You'll notice a few sample images with low quality provided for testing, but I'll delete those and upload my own image instead. Click on Browse to upload your photo. I've placed some very low-quality images in this folder, which will enhance and review one by one. I'll start with this image. If you're a content creator, you already know how often we need to use images in our videos. And when the quality is bad, it's honestly frustrating. First, select your upscale size. You can set a custom resolution or choose between 2x or 4x. I'll go with 4x. Then, choose the model that suits your image. I'll pick Photograph from the 4 available options. We're using the local engine right now, so let's click Process. As you can see, the processing has started, and it's quite fast. After just a few seconds, the result appears, and it has enhanced the image quite well up to 4x. However, since it's using the local engine, the result might look slightly compromised. If we click the drop-down menu and choose Split View under Views, we can see a side-by-side comparison, and the improvement is clear. Now, I'll delete this image and switch from local to online engine. Let's upload the same image again, keep the photograph model, and click Process. It starts processing immediately, and here's the result. This time, the quality is outstanding. As I mentioned earlier, the online engine gives perfect results. You can see there's no distortion at all, and the image is beautifully enhanced, even though it was originally of terrible quality. Click Save Image. Then, choose Save As to store the upscaled image on your device. After that, click Open, and it will take you directly to the folder where your enhanced image is saved. You can view it there. Many times, we find a wallpaper that looks amazing but feels disappointing once set on our desktop because of poor quality. That's exactly where Nero AI Image Upscaler comes in handy. Let's upload this wallpaper, which currently looks really bad, and see if it can make it usable. I'll keep the model as Photograph again and click Process. And yes, it can. It has beautifully enhanced the blurry wallpaper to a level where we can easily set it as our background. Let's save it. Open the folder and then open the wallpaper itself. Press Ctrl+B to set it as a wallpaper. Now let's minimize all windows and take a look. I personally love greenery wallpapers, and this one looks stunning after enhancement. There's also a dedicated model for anime images, so let's test that too. I'll upload this low-resolution anime picture. Select the anime model and start processing. Look at this result. It's incredible. The colors are richer, the quality has improved 4 times, and everything looks much sharper. What more could you ask for from an image enhancer tool? Now, let's try it on a low-light image as well. This time, I'll use the standard model and start processing. As you can see, It has enhanced the photo beautifully while maintaining its natural tone, unlike some other tools in the market that completely ruin low-light photos instead of improving them. Another great feature here is batch processing. If you want to upscale multiple images at once, you can easily do that. Upload all your photos and select the ones you want to enhance. Then, click Start Processing, and you'll see all of them being processed simultaneously. It may take a little longer depending on how many images you selected, but once it's done, all your images will be upscaled together. Click Save Image to save them all to your device. Now let's talk about the pricing plans. You can buy Nero AI Image Upscaler for just $50 per year, or you can go for the lifetime plan at $130. Once you purchase it, you'll receive an activation code. To activate, click the drop-down menu, select Enter Activation Code, and a window will appear. Simply paste the code and click Activate Now, and your account will be successfully activated. So that's how you can use Nero AI Image Upscaler 2026 to transform any low-quality image into a sharp, detailed, and professional-looking one in seconds. Whether you're enhancing thumbnails, wallpapers, or product photos, this tool saves time and delivers incredible quality. If you want to try it yourself, the link is available in the description below. Go ahead, download it, and see the results for yourself.